Dogs, hamster, lance po. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Crypto Joel. So today I will give you an update of the hamster combat token. In the Telegram, the hamster combat will listed in any centralized exchange like BitGet, Bybit, and OKX, and even in this exchange Bitro. Now I'm here in my Bitro account. So in Bitro, the admin make this hamster lance pool. Farming period 7 days. The total rewards is 50,000 hamster. So 6 days, 6 hours, 37 minutes. It will end the lance pool. No? What you do is to stick dogs to earn hamster. So total stick dogs token 91.12 million dogs. Then total rewards is 50,000 hamster. Then individual limit is 20 million dogs. So if you want to stick, just click stick. No. Now, aside from staking, the hamster combat also in a Bitro freelance. No. Hamster freelance exclusive events. All users who sign up for the hamster deposit reservation can enjoy up to 100% cashback. Share the event with new users to also share in a 10,000 USDT prize pool from the end of the event. So 24 days, 2 hours. No? So September 3, 2024 then will end in September 30, 2024. So the event rules: all users can make deposit reservation in advance on the event page after the hamster official airdrop goes live. So the hamster airdrop will be occur on September 26. No? Users who have made a reservation can receive up to 100% cashback on the deposit amount when depositing in Bitro. New users receive 100% cashback on their deposit amount, and existing users receive 50% cashback. All users need to complete a trade of any amount in hamster USDT spot trading pair to unlock the rewards. So share incentive event: all users who have made a reservation can share this event in a new users to encourage them to reserve. You will share a 10,000 USDT in hamster prize pool based on the number of the new users you invite who completed their reservation. The more users you invite, the larger your share of the reward. So I will put my link in my Bitro account. You try to reserve on the freelance event in the hamster combat. No? So this is the term and condition. So you have always need to click reserve now to make reservation. Your user receive 10 USDT worth of hamster on deposit cashback. So the cashback event is limited to first 2,000 new users. All rewards will be distributed to users' account within 14 days. Then the share incentive event is based on the number of new users who register through your invitation link. So if you want to reserve, just click my link below and reserve for the hamster combat. No? So this is the disclaimer. So you read it if you already sign up in my link. So just click reserve, then you will go in the reserve section. No? Another is the aside from the reservation, there is also the hamster combat lance pool with the share 30,000 hamster. No? So maybe this is the okay what I said earlier. No? So this is an update for the hamster. But if you have a hamster combat in your Telegram, just do the task until September 26. So after September 26, maybe the Telegram or the hamster in Telegram will stop. No, so we will wait the further announcement in the community, in the hamster community. Okay, So I hope you learned something today and you will try this hamster lunch ball and their reservation, no? So but always remember, this is not a financial advice. This is always a educational purpose only. Do a research before investing in any cryptos or in any meme token, especially the new token. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and comment, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel Crypto Joel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more informative videos regarding cryptocurrencies and meme token. Thank you and have a nice day to all.